8 years old, like the house burning down, and the steam shack.
OMG!
God knows. And she called Exorcist.
Is that her? You're telling me there's some girl from the 60s who had the...
Oh my God!
Trying to warn us.
Hindi!
Yun yung dati din, tapos nararamdaman niya.
So what happened to her? Is she okay?
Pero na ganun, 8 years old.
Oh shit! Oh my God!
Ganda ni ate yun.
Pretty.
Now she is. So smuggled out by one of the priests involved in the Exorcist.
Headbang.
Please, may natext ako.
About 30 years ago, before he died, to make sure everybody knew that exorcism still always goes so well.
Ganyan dapat. Ganyan.
Before the Exorcist got there, she wasn't like this. She was just hearing voices and having like a bed.
Paula, wala! Ay!
I see it. Look at that shit. Now she's off. Look. They tried to get rid of it, and sometimes it just pisses it off more.
Wala na!
Ay, full screen. Yak, kinain niya kami.
So much to go on.
Ay, nakadiri yung takal yung kamay niya.
Oh my God! Wala na!
I think these things trying to want us to not. I'm not sure.
Patay na siya, patay na.
Ay na!
I want this to stay off. I don't want to.
Patay na nga, oh. Hindi, nag-back to normal na, pero nakipasa-pasa na yung...
Ayun! Ang dami na yung sugat.
I'm trying to find some.